Hi, you are watching Discover Agriculture channel. Now we will show a video on power weeder machine. Watch until end, and if not subscribed our channel, please subscribe now.
বুঝে গেছে না এবার?
This is a revolutionary product complementing the dual work of a tractor and tiller. It can be worked with applying multiple attachments. And minimal fuel consumption, powerful, light, easy to operate, big tire size, user-friendly, low maintenance and new generation smart engine. Therefore machine is perfect choice for intercultivation and step cultivation, horticulture and plantation crops, lightweight and less vibration. Machine specifications. Engine model 170F. Engine type single cylinder, vertical, 4-stroke, air-cooled, DI Petrol Engine. Engine power 7 HP per 3600 RPM. Mode of transmission, gear driving. Number of gears 2 forward and 1 reverse. Machine weight 92 to 102 kg. Number of blades 24 or 32 and it is adjustable. Fuel consumption 0.75 liter per hour. Working width up to 3.5 feet. Working depth 6 to 8 inches. Power weeder application. Rotavator. Paddy wheel for wetland. Potato digger. Cage wheel. Single plow. Water pump. If you want to buy this machine, contact this number. Machine price is rupees 65,000. Thank you for watching. Like the video and share with your friends. And if not subscribed our channel, please subscribe Discover Agriculture.